guys, good morning guys. I'm back again with the Cash for Life. I saw that you guys are actually playing this game. It pays so much, and please always remember that you have to play it. And then now guys, this is the new book that I got for the Cash for Life and Daily Lotto only. It's just 5 pages. This one is 100 rand. It's on PDF form. It's as Cash for Life and SA Daily Lotto. That is it. And trust me, with Cash for Life, if you follow exactly what you see in this book, you won't have problems. You're going to boom every day. Normally, like every draw, it can go to 3 to 4 numbers depending on how you're going to pay. For example, as you can see, I've broken the code for you guys. It's how many numbers. What we can just do here, you just use a pairing app. There's this other pairing app, it's for 49s, UK 49s, but it pairs different draws. You can just pair with that app 2-3 numbers, but 3 numbers is very expensive. It can charge you maybe up to 8 something rand for it to pay 3 numbers for you. But 3 number in Cash for Life is 1,600 rand, which is profitable. 2 numbers is one. If it's not 110 with 1 rand, I'm not sure. So it means if you get a 3 numbers in Cash for Life with 10 rand, that means you are having yourself 16k. Is that sure? Yes, that should be 16k. That it pays so much. You rather spend 100 rand voucher and put them on Yankee. It's either can be Betway, Hollywood, all these apps they do, or Yes Play. You can put them on Yankee and then you spend 100 rand. If you win there, you know that you've got what? 1.6. You withdraw that 1,000 rand, you put it aside, you take the 600, you stake. You understand? That's how you do in gambling. You don't just stake from the word go. No. What if you crash? Because gambling is win or lose, you see. So guys, this is the code and this is the book. Get this book. It's for Cash for Life and Daily Lotto, because I don't want to show them how to do the codes. I see a lot of people who are watching these groups, these videos, most of them is from the UK, so I don't know who's watching, who's not watching. So I'm scared if I just show all the strategies. At the end of the day, it's like I don't know what I'm doing. I'm no longer showing people strategies. What I do, you have to buy the book. That's it. There's no strategy for free. Trust me on that, because I've learned, I've been a good person for a long time, but people, they take advantage for me. No other predators will do this, will show you strategies and then they teach you. I'm the only one who's doing that. So people, they take that as an advantage, and then at the end of the day, they don't value your work. But I know there are some people who are doing that, and thank you very much to those. But those who don't appreciate, I don't mind. Okay, so the code, as you can see, the code was 2972. Okay, now we just have to add up everything. 2 plus 9 is an 11, plus 7 is an 18, plus 2 is a 20. So we're going to add a 20 on the hand there. Let's us just put the 20 there. I'd forgotten, just realized now. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is what it is, guys. This is Cash for Life. And then if you want the book, WhatsApp on this number, you're gonna get the book. You're going to get the book, and when you get the book, you don't just give anyone, because you also bought the book for yourself. Oh, what else did I want to mention? No, I think, and I guess for today I am done. I'll see you tomorrow. So guys, take your time, study that that video for UK 49. Make sure with UK 49, because now it's got 2 draws. I think they're going to add another one. We'll end up doing like 749. You see how 749 goes Lotto goes. That is the mission of the UK 49 now, because they saw that draw has got so many punters who are playing it, almost the whole world. And then now they introduced the second draw, so that at least they split the people. They'll put the 3rd draw and the 4th draw. Trust me, mark my words on that. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. Enjoy. Those who want to talk to me, there's my number. Thank you.